Which team do you support in EPL?
Man City.
Manchester City. So I have a simple question for you. Name for me other EPL teams we have. Let's go. Number 1.
Man City.
Number 2.
Liverpool.
Number 3.
Arsenal.
Number 4.
Tottenham.
Number 5.
Manchester United.
Number 6.
Wolves.
Number 7.
Chelsea.
Number 8.
West Ham.
Number 9.
Fulham.
Number 10. Okay. My last question. I want you to predict your top 5 EPL teams. Let's go. Number 1. Saizi yenye tenda kushinda EPL ni gani? Kimeenda na EPL ya kwanza ni gani?
Chelsea waizi.
Chelsea
waizi.
Number 1 ni itaingia.
Man City.
Number 2. Sasa utaweka namba ngapi?
Namba 4, namba 5, namba 4, namba 5.
Number 5. Manu.
Huko hata top 5 hakuna.
Na
Liverpool. Unaweza wapatie namba 4.
Na Tote.
Tote hakuna.